Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Ford Escape SE. This one is white. Underneath the hood is a 1.5 4-cylinder with EcoBoost pushing out 181 horsepower, 17-inch wheels. Tan sandstone interior. SE EcoBoost all-wheel drive badging. Opening up the tailgate. Clean set of all-season floor mats. 60/40 fold-down rear seats. Blind spot assist. Power windows, power seats. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. A push-start ignition. Touchscreen media display. Rear view backup camera. Climate control, USB ports, automatic transmission. This Ford has 4,813 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Escape SE, visit us at feldmanimports.com.